Fade effect can help you add aesthetic look to your design, and by so doing, increasing your design worth in the market. In this video, I will be showing you 5 inspirational steps in achieving this using Pixellab on the smartphone. I am Dennis Leo, and welcome to Dan Leon Innovations. Good day guys, welcome to Pixellab tutorial. I'll be showing you how to make a fade effect on Pixellab. Normally this will be done within 1 minute, but for the sake of understanding, I will be taking my time. So to start with, I hope to use a background of that of YouTube dimension, that is YouTube size. To do this, I'll click on the 3 dot icon you can see here on the top part of the screen. Then I'll access image sizes. So under custom sizes, I click, then I'll access the YouTube thumbnail. Exactly, okay. Then I have that. So I'll go for delete, and I delete. So by default, I want to make a plain white background when I'm doing this. So I just come here and click on this where I'll access my background. Click on color and then make use of my plain white background. So you can see that. So now it's time to import in my image. Now my image is here. I just click here. Just click on this part. Prior time, your image must be of transparent background, of which I already created using the app called Photo Room. So I just click here under images. I'll access the app called Photo Room. Then I'll get this very image. And I click OK. So by default, the image is here, which is simple. The next thing to do is to get in my fade background. So how to fade the image in is what's left. So just reduce it a bit, the size, and drop it there. So I come here and then I click on shapes. This is shape by default. Then I just come down here. Now on the shape, I go to the color of the shape and I click on gradient. So while on gradient, I click my plus sign and I access this very gradient type. That's the fourth one from the left hand side. Then I move this upward and bring this to the middle. Alright, as you can see there. Then the dark extent of the spectrum of the gradient, I would make, come back here. The dark spectrum, click on the color, I'll make white, because that's the main color I want to use. But on the light spectrum, I will fade out. As you can see, simply done. And I click OK. Now I haven't done that. I bring this white spectrum, bring it closer, then bring this other spectrum, make it whiter to have that feeling. Then I click OK. Now that I haven't done that, let's bring it and using it, the shading of my very character hand, as you can see there. And then voila, it just faded the image into circles. So depend on how you want the gradient to be. Okay, so you could either come back here, click on the color. Now this time around, I could change my background. My background doesn't go for white. I could make it other colors. So say I were to use a pink background, this should go for pink also. I just come here, click the color, check, come here, see, I made a faded. So it's as simple as that, and you too can do this using Pixellab. Let me know in the comment if this was helpful, and then don't forget to please like, subscribe and share, and at the same time don't forget to drop the word innovative so as to get more video to increase your sales, your revenue, and to increase your customer base. Thank you very much. This is Dan Leo signing out from Dan Leo Innovations.